Hey you guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. Sorry, I look so rough today, but I got my coffee. We are in Thousand Oaks, California, and we are going to be flying today. It's been like 2 weeks that we haven't flew because like the bad weather. If you guys can check out like my stormy vlog, like what we were doing during like those rainy, stormy days, we were like inside. And yeah, this is Keanu, my blue-throated macaw, and we are going to meet my parents and we're going to fly them. My parents' mom is also here. They're leaving today, but the sun is out today. Looks really pretty. So now I'm going to go meet them. I bought them coffee. I bought their coffee and now we're going to go fly. Ready, Keanu? If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm like rushing there in like 10 minutes. I have to meet them, but yeah, we'll see how this day is. It's a really pretty day. I still have like makeup on my face from like yesterday, but yeah, I'm so excited that we're gonna fly. See you guys soon. I got this like bourbon vanilla coffee. It's so good. I've never tried it before. Like I always get a latte. I always get a lot, so I'm like concentrating. I can't like talk and drive. Okay, I got this bourbon vanilla latte. Shout out to 507 coffee place in Thousand Oaks. It's actually nice to try different things. I always get a latte, always, every morning. And then this vanilla bourbon latte is so good. I did the less sweet, I don't like things that are like too dangerously sweet. Right, Keanu? He's quiet today because he's alone in my car. We took 2 cars to get to the flying location. It's actually really nice today. Like there's actually like not too much wind. It's been really cold though. So also I've been dealing with eczema, and you know, eczema, like heat doesn't go with. I mean, it's like really mild eczema. Like I don't get eczema normally, but I did like a chemical peel in January and it's February now, and I was at the desert after my peel, and then I think like the wind, the sand is just skin irritation. Usually eczema, it's from skin irritation and stress, but I think it's from skin irritation. So yeah, I was out in the desert while I was doing a face peel. So that's why my skin was like irritated. So, you know, I can't really put sunscreen on or anything, like no moisturizer. Like I'm putting nothing on my face except for the cream that you're supposed to. It's your turn. Okay. So yeah, I'm kind of scared to go flying today because I don't want to get a tan, but I'm not wearing any sunscreen today. But anyways, you guys are hearing my like skin stuff. But yeah, I've been through like hell of a lot of my skin, to be honest. Like I had like an allergic reaction to Accutane, and then like I've had like great skin before. Like I know I have good genes for my skin, but then like I did Accutane before, and then that like ruined my skin. I should do like another channel based on my skin because I went through a lot. I paid a lot of stuff. I did laser treatments to fix my skin, but obviously after you do laser and all the acne treatments, like your skin, it's not the same anymore. So, you know, I've been dealing with like craters and texture. So, you know, sometimes it's hard. You know, when I'm like flying like this, like I don't want to get a tan, but I also hate how the sunscreen texture feels like. So it was actually nice to stay indoors without flying, because you know, then I don't need to get a tan. Like it's not good to get a tan. I wish I can get a tan. It's not like, you know, I don't want a tan, but it's because of acne scars, you know, like it makes it look worse if you get a tan because it's like dark. You know, when people get a tan, and then if they have like nice even skin, it looks great, but like I have these craters, and when I get a tan, only that part looks really dark. So that's why like I avoid being in the sun always. But it's good to get vitamin D, but it's just, I'm just like ranting and saying I can't wear sunscreen today. I only put it on my forehead, but not my cheeks. So I said extra, extra, extra hot, and it's not that hot. It's like lukewarm. Oh my god, so it's actually my birthday this week, and I'm turning 30. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So this weekend was like my birthday weekend. It's also the Super Bowl weekend. So yesterday I went with my boyfriend's friends and did a Super Bowl weekend party, and it was actually really fun. It was really fun. And then before that, I went out to like a dinner date pre-Valentine's Day. My birthday's on Valentine's Day. So yeah, I just wanted to fly the birds today as well for my birthday. But yeah, it's my birthday this week. Oh my god, I'm so old. So old. Can't believe I'm 30. Like, I had so much fun in my 20s. Like, it was like a lot of struggles though. Like, my skin mainly. My skin, school. Skin in school has been the worst part of my life, probably. I'm like still struggling with it now. I think like can't wait till I'm done with school officially, because a lot of things happen, but I'm just trying to like manifest, you know.さ、なんかさ、白くのこと大嫌いだね。
あ、本当に？
うん。
あ、触らせないもんね。
もっとトレーニングした方がいいんだよ。来てないんだよ。うんね。So cute. One, two, three. Connor!
Go too far.
Yeah.
Good bird.
Me, 1, 2, 3.
Whee! Like that. Yeah.
Hi, Connor. Good bird. 2, 3.
Good exercise. Yeah, don't you think?
Hey, Kona!
Kiana!
Kona! Oh, thank you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And he's really good. Kiana!
Good bird.
Kiana!
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.